There are several formulae that we need to learn in trigonometry, but thankfully there are some short tricks which can help us learn those formulae. Here in this video, I am going to talk about a short trick to learn trigonometric values for some specific angles. So let's get started. For this, we will need to make a table with 4 rows and 6 columns. In the top row, we write the angles 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90. As we commonly use these angles, so we are finding values for these angles only. On the left hand side, we write sine, cos and tan. So, to find the sine values, we write 2 in the denominator and the square root sign in the numerator. As one thing for sure is 2 will always come in the denominator for the sine values. Now, in the square root sign, we write the numbers 0 to 4 in ascending order, starting with 0 at 0 degrees and 4 at 90 degrees. So like this, we write all the numbers, and then the next step is to solve these. Now the square root of 0 is 0 only, so the value at sine 0 degrees is 0. The square root of 1 is 1, so sine 30 degrees is 1 by 2. Now we can simplify square root of 2 divided by 2 and we will get 1 by square root 2. So the value at sine 45 degrees is 1 by square root 2. The value at sine 60 degrees is simply square root 3 by 2, and the value at 90 degrees is 1, as square root of 4 is 2. So you will get the fraction 2 divided by 2, and that will be equal to 1. Now let's try to find the cosine values. To find the cosine values, we have to simply repeat the step that we did in the sine values. In the denominator, we will write 2, and in the numerator, we will write the square root sign. The only catch here is we will write the numbers 0 to 4 in descending order, starting with 4 at 0 degrees and 0 at 90 degrees. So like this, we write the numbers, and the next step is to solve these. So at cos 0 degrees, we have the value 1. At cos 30 degrees, root 3 by 2. At cos 45 degrees, it is the same as sine 45 degrees, 1 by square root 2. At cos 60 degrees, as square root of 1 is 1, so cos 60 degrees is 1 by 2. At cos 90 degrees, the value is 0. Now, as we know, tan equal to sine over cos. When we find out the tan values, there is a slight change. We need to take the square root of both the numerator and denominator, as tangent is equal to sine over cosine. So the values in the numerator remain the same as we did in the sine. That means in the numerator, we will write the numbers 0 to 4 in ascending order, starting with 0 at 0 degrees and 4 at 90 degrees, like this. Now in the denominator, we write the numbers 4 minus 0, 4 minus 1, 4 minus 2, 4 minus 3 and 4 minus 4 as shown here in the denominator for tan values. Now let's solve this. So tan 0 degrees is 0, as in the numerator we have 0. Tan 30 degrees will be 1 by square root 3. Tan 45 degrees will be square root of 2 divided by 2, which will give us 1. Tan 60 degrees will be square root of 3. Now at 90 degrees, we see that value is 4 minus 4 in the denominator. Now 4 minus 4 in the denominator will be equal to 0. Any fraction which has 0 in the denominator is not defined. It can be also called as infinity. So the value at tan 90 degrees is equal to infinity. So these were all the values that you are going to use very frequently while solving trigonometric questions. I hope you liked watching this video, and this video will help you in remembering the values. If you liked this video and would like to watch more videos like this, so please subscribe to my channel and thanks for watching.